That there is a pileated woodpecker. It's native to the area, but how often do you see it? In the flower garden, right next to the road. That there's the male. Look how beautiful he is. He's a beaut. You can see the old stump that he's digging in. You can expect he's finding some mighty fine victuals there. Listen to it. It's a beautiful call. Here we got a truck going by. It's gonna look like a wall coming up. There they are. They're getting home to the pileated woodpecker right in their yard. Do you think they'll notice? It's gonna probably take flight. Let's see if we can catch it. It still hasn't gone nowhere. Let's zoom out a little bit. There he goes. Did you see it go? They're talking about how there he is. He must have come by many times before. He was a beaut. We'll catch him another time maybe.